Hi, my name is Raphael Uziel, and this is my version of Flack Project 2 for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. I'm not sure if this was the best way to go, but I chose to put everything on one page, the index HTML page with different sections, a welcome section where the user chooses a display name, channel section to choose or create new channels, and obviously the messaging section. The JavaScript file will control which of those sections is visible, as well as communicate it using sockets to the um, Python application. For the Python application, I only rendered the index.html file, and everything else, all the communication and processing is done with sockets, processing channels, processing messages, deleting messages, etc. So a user will choose a display name, okay, and then be taken to the page for the section for choosing channels or creating a channel of their own. I'm going to choose anthropology there, and there I am. Okay, and then another user can log in and then choose that same channel and um, and any message that that user sends will be received over here. If I close the page and then reopen it, then all my information is saved with local storage. And for my personal touch, I added the ability to delete my own messages. Obviously, I can't delete anybody else's messages. Thank you for watching.